I'm Summer Hawk, a student at Fairmont Anaheim Hills. What makes a Fairmont education exceptional are advanced academics. Advanced academics that can be seen in our elementary specialty classes that we offer, like our unique science labs, or other hands-on experiences like the mini educational field trips we take. Advanced academics that can be seen in our middle school electives such as Robotics, Math Olympiad, Model United Nations, and award-winning speech and debate program. Re-enrollment is happening now. With so many reasons to stay at Fairmont, why would you wait? Re-enroll today.